The vitamin. Yeah. Since the day God rocked me, it's not about me and my posse, cause I remember that day in the back of the cops. Yeah, whole life in cuffs, bound to the sin like all I wanna do is win. All I wanna do is win. So I played the game and won it. It was empty on the summit. So I summoned to the king my life, everything that's in me. I'm a tin man that is so empty, only then can he fulfill me. So I'm filled with the Holy Ghost. Not because I speak in tongues though, cause the same spirit that's in the sun is in my lungs, bro. He's in me, but I ain't him. Cause how could a man that's dead to sin make himself alive again? They tell me there's no fire yet, we be burning up, and Jesus is the fireman. We sick and need a doctor, and I'm tired of the vitamin. Yeah. Yeah, we all sinners, we all falling, we all villains, we all goblins, we all shooting, we all robbing. Look at yourself and be honest. Yo, we all got a problem that we can't fix. We need a lamb that's righteous to fight this, and that's Jesus, not the law. So put away your nightstick. It's like, yo, everything we inviting in, that's us vitamins. So we fighting no war with machetes and swords, but it ain't flesh and blood that we fight against. It's like, yo, do I have to prove it? Nah. Jesus Christ is the true solution. Just look at our lives and the conclusion is the old me gone and the new me moving in. Nothing else can cure us, not power, respect to cure us, not idols. Step out the furnace with Christ, nothing can burn us, cause we're sick and need a doctor, and I'm tired of the vitamins.